Welcome to 5 Quick Wonders, the place where the shadows of science reveal terrifying truths. Today, we're diving into the unsettling realm of genetic experiments that push the boundaries of ethics and nature too far. These aren't fictional nightmares. These are real, documented cases where science crossed a line. And the consequences were terrifying. Let's begin. 1. In the 1920s, Russian biologist Ilya Ivanov set out to create the unthinkable, a hybrid between a human and a chimpanzee. His vision was not science fiction, it was supported by the Soviet regime. Ivanov's goal? To engineer a stronger, obedient worker. He inseminated female chimpanzees with human sperm. The experiments failed. But what's most disturbing is that Ivanov later planned to use female human volunteers to carry chimp embryos. Before he could act, he was arrested. But rumors persist that another scientist might have continued the work in secret. The files were sealed. The results unknown. Did a Humanzee ever walk among us? No one can say for sure. What's undeniable is that science came chillingly close. 2. In 2000, French artist Eduardo Kahn collaborated with geneticists to create Alba, a rabbit infused with jellyfish DNA to glow green under blue light. What was meant to be art sparked global panic. Alba's creation blurred the lines between science and spectacle. Though she looked normal in daylight, her eerie glow was a reminder of what genetic engineering could do. Critics argued, was this innovation or cruelty? If a glowing bunny is possible, what's next? Translucent humans? Light-emitting pets? The experiment lit up more than fluorescence, it exposed humanity's hunger to manipulate life for any purpose, no matter how bizarre. 3. In 2018, Chinese scientist He Jiankui announced he had edited the genes of twin girls using CRISPR to make them resistant to HIV. The world was stunned. This wasn't a lab animal, these were real children, genetically altered before birth. Jiankui had bypassed ethical review boards and experimented in the shadows. While he was later jailed, the girls, Lulu and Nana, are alive, their DNA forever changed. Scientists warn we don't know the long-term effects. Did Jiankui activate dormant mutations? Could this spark a new era of engineered humans? One thing is clear, the genetic genie is out of the bottle, and we can't put it back. 4. In the early 2000s, scientists at Nexia Biotechnologies in Canada created goats with spider genes. The result? Spider silk-producing goats. These animals secreted silk proteins in their milk, stronger than steel by weight. While the goal was military-grade material, the reality was eerie, goats that were part spider, born from gene splicing. These hybrids appeared normal but carried within them the twisted fusion of two species that would never naturally combine. It wasn't just bioengineering, it was biological surrealism. Critics argued this crossed a moral threshold. If we can turn goats into silk factories, what stops us from designing human bodies as tools? 5. Henrietta was a poor black woman who died of cancer in 1951. But her cells, taken without her knowledge, never died. They were the first immortal human cells, able to divide endlessly in a lab. These HeLa cells became the foundation for countless scientific breakthroughs. But there's a dark side, her family never consented. Her cells were used in experiments worldwide, including radiation, toxins, and genetic modifications. Researchers even fused them with animal DNA. Henrietta became the ghost behind modern medicine, a woman whose legacy was stolen, her biology repurposed without dignity. Her story is a haunting reminder that scientific progress often comes at a human cost. Science can illuminate the future, or twist it into something unrecognizable. These experiments weren't just unsettling, they were real. As our ability to rewrite life expands, one question grows louder, just because we can? Does it mean we should? Subscribe to 5 Quick Wonders and join us for more chilling truths hiding behind the curtain of reality.